Look at those. Oh, look at the grill marks. Get underneath there. Oh yeah, that's what we want to see. Let's see if he can do it. Boo-dizzle. There we go. So now we're... Look at that fire! Apparently we're going back to... No, Nicole's still not a player.
She's a player hater.
So right now we are prepping the potatoes and the carrots by slicing them thinly, putting them in the foil, and that's going to go on the grill as well, with some garlic, salt, and some butter. Got my assistant Alan's cutting over there. See, there's Alan.
Honey, have you already started?
And then there's Nicole talking over my video. So thanks for that, Nicole. Alright, so now we are setting up the grill. Alan's getting the charcoal all set in. We're going to do these over charcoal. It's just possibly the best way to just grill anything. Get a little bit of that lighter fluid going. And we got the easy start. Hopefully.
If I can get it open.
If he can get it open.
There we go.
Oh, yeah. That sounds means good. And there we've got fire. Now we gotta let the coals set for a little bit before we can start putting anything on there. So we gotta let them warm up. And then we'll get potatoes going, and then we'll do the pork chops last.
Should be at about 450 degrees when we're ready.
450 when we're ready. I don't know if temperature's different over there too. You'll have to edit that part out probably. Now we're just getting the potatoes and carrots put together with garlic, salt, and butter, and then you just kind of wrap them up like so. I'm going to get another piece of aluminum foil. Heavy duty works best for the grill. Oh man, I almost lost it. There we go. That will ensure all your goodness stays inside when you're flipping it on the grill. And now it's ready to go on the grill. Alright, so now that the potatoes and carrots are all sealed in their nice little packaging and the grill is up to heat, we're going to throw these bad boys on there. Boom. Nice and center. And that's got to cook for like an hour. You want to flip them maybe about halfway through, but then you want to let the temperature get back up. You know, we're sitting.
It was at 300.
It was at 300, but now the flames are sitting. So now, you can literally see it going up here. So we need to let the temperature get back up, and we're gonna let those sit in an hour. And it's a little bit longer of a process, but it's gonna make it taste real good. Oh yeah, we can't forget Alan's tools of the trade. I mean, look at this nice barbecue set here. I mean, we can't forget the grill brush that's over there, but look at the rest of this. Just primo. All right, so our temperature's dropped a little bit, so now we're gonna have to like recenter this. So we're gonna get everything back in order here. So Grill Master Alan's gonna kind of set this up for us. So we need to add. So you got these like handy little. Look at that. See that access flap there? And we're gonna grab some charcoal out of the charcoal bin. Ooh, ooh, she's sparking a bit. Make sure cook even on both sides. So we gotta get it. So we got charcoal on both sides. So we got even distribution of heat. What is it called, Alan?
Indirect heat.
Indirect heat. Even distribution of indirect heat. That's how we're doing things today. And just like that. Oh, we're going for the flip now too?
Yep.
Oh, now is the time. See, we're putting that like fancy kit to use right now. And we're gonna flip. We got to make sure not to poke the underneath, though, because there's a lot of butter in there. Let's see if he can do it. Boo-dizzle. There we go. So now we're flipped to the other side, and then we're going to want to let it cook for about another half hour, 45 minutes, after that temperature gets back up. Now we're going to see like a major drop in temp, but it's going to go back up pretty quickly here. Once it goes back up, then we'll be ready to go. All right, now the potatoes and carrots are done, we're going to start our garlic parmesan pork chops. So this is going to be the money shot, kind of. You're going to have to edit that part out. Oh, those look like some good quality pork chops if I've ever seen them. We got to listen for that sizzle. Oh, that's the sizzle we're looking for. So what's the optimal cooking temperature for these, bud?
400 max.
400. So we want to keep them below that 450 mark we were doing the potatoes at earlier. So it's going to cause to have to do a little bit more babying of the grill. So we're at 300 now, so we're going to want to make sure we kind of up that a bit. We want to hit that 400 mark, and then we're going to stay good.
25, which is about perfect.
Ooh, we're about 325 temp. It's been about 10-15 minutes since we checked them last time, so we're going to take a look-skis and see what we got. Oh, yeah, you see that? It's starting to get a little bit color around there. So low and slow is the way to go. You don't want to go too high, too fast, otherwise they're going to dry out, and they'd be drier than a fart.
Yep.
We're gonna let them go for a bit.
Just a vent.
Oh, you have to adjust the vent. Look at the proper vent alignment. Look at that. See right through there, you can see the ashes and embers. But like up there, yeah, that's proper vent alignment. Pork chops are about halfway done. Starting to get some good color on them, so now we're gonna want to go ahead and flip these bad boys. Oh, it's all about those grill marks right there. Get underneath there. Oh yeah, that's what we want to see. It's all about the grill marks.
Stop.
Yep. All right, so chops are about ready to come off. Let's see what we're looking at. Oh, beautiful. Look at those grill marks. Just a beautiful pork chop all the way around. Look at that. 5 pork chops. One for the whole family. That's a big one. Look at that. Look at those. Oh, look at the grill marks. And that is the final meal. Pork chops with potatoes and carrots.
It's really good.
Jocelyn says it's really good.